Looking for the easiest way to organize your kitchen cabinets? Then don't miss this video. We've picked the top 5 best pull-out cabinet organizers that can instantly transform messy cabinets into neat, easy-to-access storage. And here's something you won't want to miss. The number 3 organizer could save you a surprising amount of time every single day with its smart, expandable design. Whether you're tired of digging through deep cabinets or simply want a more organized kitchen, there's a perfect option waiting for you. Stay until the end to discover which organizer deserves the number 1 spot and find the best one for your kitchen. Number 5. 4-pack Expandable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. If your kitchen cabinets always seem cluttered and you're constantly reaching into the back to grab what you need, this organizer can completely change the way you use your space. Its expandable design fits different cabinet sizes, while the smooth pull-out drawer lets you access everything with minimal effort. The sturdy metal frame is built to handle everyday kitchen essentials, and the drill-free adhesive installation makes setup quick and hassle-free. Whether you're organizing pots, pans, spices, or cleaning supplies, it keeps everything neat and within easy reach. It's an excellent choice for homeowners, renters, or anyone wanting a cleaner kitchen. Overall, this 4-pack delivers impressive value, convenience, and organization for multiple cabinets. Number 4. Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Digging through crowded cabinets can waste time and make cooking more frustrating than it should be. This pull-out cabinet organizer solves that problem with a smooth sliding shelf that brings everything forward in seconds. Its heavy-duty construction provides reliable support for everyday cookware, pantry items, or cleaning products, while the simple installation helps you upgrade your cabinets without complicated assembly. The organizer creates better visibility, maximizes storage space, and keeps frequently used items easy to reach. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or laundry rooms where extra organization makes a big difference. If you want a practical storage upgrade that feels sturdy, convenient, and built for daily use, this organizer is definitely worth considering. Number 3. 2-pack Expandable Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Keeping deep cabinets organized is never easy when items disappear into the back. This 2-pack expandable organizer makes every inch of cabinet space more accessible with its adjustable width and smooth sliding drawers. Installation is quick thanks to its drill-free mounting system, making it suitable for both permanent homes and rental spaces. The durable steel construction provides dependable support while maintaining a clean, modern appearance inside your cabinets. It's ideal for storing cookware, pantry essentials, containers, or household supplies without creating clutter. Anyone looking to improve kitchen organization without a major renovation will appreciate its flexibility and convenience. Overall, it's a smart storage solution that combines easy installation with everyday practicality. Number 2. Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Soft close wooden slide-out drawers. Traditional cabinets often hide your cookware behind stacks of other items, making everyday cooking less efficient. This wooden pull-out organizer offers a premium solution with full-extension soft-close slides that glide quietly and smoothly every time. The wooden construction adds a warm, high-end appearance while providing dependable durability for heavier kitchen essentials. Everything stays organized, visible, and easy to reach without bending or digging through crowded shelves. It's especially well-suited for homeowners upgrading their kitchen storage or anyone looking for a more polished cabinet system. Combining elegant design with smooth performance, this organizer delivers both functionality and style, making it a worthwhile investment for a more organized kitchen. Number 1. Heavy-Duty Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. Messy cabinets can quickly slow down your daily routine, especially when frequently used items are buried in the back. This heavy-duty pull-out organizer brings everything within easy reach using a smooth sliding mechanism designed for everyday convenience. Its strong metal frame supports a variety of kitchen essentials while maintaining excellent stability during use. The easy installation process requires minimal effort, making it a simple upgrade for kitchens, bathrooms, or pantry cabinets. Whether you're storing pots, containers, spices, or cleaning products, it helps create a cleaner and more efficient storage system. For anyone looking to maximize cabinet space without expensive renovations, this organizer offers dependable performance, durability, and excellent everyday value. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best pull-out cabinet organizers. We hope this video helped you find the perfect solution to make your kitchen more organized and efficient. If you want to check the latest prices or learn more about any of these organizers, you'll find all the product links in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next roundup of the best Amazon finds and smart kitchen gadgets. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.